Hi, I'm Marna, and the mailman came, and I want to open on camera because I have been having trouble not once, not twice, not three times, but more with a seller on Aliexpress called Blythe Homes. And I used to buy a whole lot of dolls from them. I don't anymore. I've been ordering from Fairy Town something. And boy, I get fast service. I ordered these two dolls, as a matter of fact, on like November 7th. This is Thanksgiving Day. I got my hands, and let's check their eyes real quick. If you buy from Aliexpress, I highly recommend that you film it, take pictures of any problems, and open your boxes right away because you only have 15 days now to complain, and the sellers will give you the runaround trying to let time run out. Okay, if you don't know about Blythe dolls, when you pull the string that's connected to the back of their head, their eyes change position and color, and they do that 4 times. I love these dolls. I love these dolls. These girls are for, well, one's for me. I love this hair. Oh my goodness, I love this hair. This is pretty thick too. Like I said, I got these from Fairy Town something. Good prices, and you know what, I was hoping I could reach that and pull it, but I don't want to mess up. Blythes are not coming with the same quality hair they used to. This is still pretty thick, but look how chopped it is. And that's just happening. I mean, it's like they're swooshing it, which I do not like. I like it cut straight across. That's how I always have my own hair cut. Okay, let's check her eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Let's set these girls to the side and see who else came. This one, I believe, is from Blythe Homes. My last order from them, I had already ordered these before I had trouble. One doll came with terrible hair, and Blythe Homes gave me the runaround, said they'd send me a scalp, which they never did. And you can't do anything about it after 15 days. Everything just pops up, time ran out. And that's what they're counting on. So, okay, there might be a couple Blythe dolls in here, hey? And something else included. All right. This one is from Blythe Homes. I'm pretty positive. All right. Let's see. Oh gosh. Oh, they're beautiful. You know what? They're supposed to be 4, I think. Oh, yeah, I did order this. Okay, this is the 4th one. And these are, oh my God, they're beautiful. They're icy, but I thought there was another doll too. But anyway, wait till you see this hair. And please God, let nothing be wrong. That would make me thankful on Thanksgiving morning. Like I said, I wanted to hurry and film this because of the problems I'm having, or have had. Nothing I can do about it. One came with a broken leg. They gave me $5 back on it, period. They're just not standing behind their products like they used to. Oh my God, look at this icy face and oh, what an Easter doll. I already have a doll named Easter, or that could have been the thing for her. She might be Bunny, but I think I have a bunny. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. For a minute, I thought the legs were floppy. I'm going to be picky with this seller. All right. 1 out of 4. See about this little girl. We're just going to check them all well today. She's kind of a mess there, but oh, she's cute. I love these little miniatures. Eyes aren't opening. There we go. I'd be pickier if we didn't change that anyway. So Darren and I add 2 strings in the back
her hair is caught in her eyelashes, which is what's stopping her.
Ah. All right, let's look again. Yep. Miracle. Darren's Dr. Darren.
Nobody else got to see it. You're waving her wildly around.
Sorry. She's really cute. Love those dolls. Love those dolls. Uh-oh, this one's legs look funny. No, it's just, nope, they're broke. 2 broken legs. Oh, goody. Another fight. Another fight. All right, let's check eyes. Eyes look good. That leg is barely twisted and hanging on. Oh, that makes me mad. What happens is, I've had dolls come like this before, and what happens is, you can never get that leg in there tight and right like it should be, and after a while, you know, you snap it back on, you're like, oh, it's fine. But after a while, they're in their stand and they start doing this, and then that leg goes like this. All right. See, and this is why you should film it. Oh my God, wait to see how beautiful this hair is. I thought it was more blue. I don't know if you can even see that. That's like, oh, and it's thick and nice too. That's like 2 shades of purple and, I don't know, 2 or 3 blues. Oh, nice. Gorgeous. All right, let's check her eyes. Looks all right. Really love that hair. It's pretty thick too. That's thicker than most human beings. That's a good thick hair. Oh, I like that. Woo, I like it. This one I should have pointed out is a dark, rich wine colored, like a dark wine with, you know, it's got that purple, but it's more mauve than purple. All right, let's see who else came. This is an odd shaped box. I don't know what we got here. I'm not quite sure how to open it. Let's go from the end this time. This is really odd. I had several dolls coming. These are from, I should say, a sale. Was that November 11th? I don't think so. Was it? Because that would be pretty fast. Not as fast as the other one, but... Oh, I know who this is. This is my boy, Blythe. The boy Blythes come different than the girls, which I really like, and I wish they had them in Middies. They do not. We're actually going to take some sand paper to a boy Midi and make it a girl Midi. Let me pull him out so you can see what I'm saying. And this is really wrapped different too. Oh boy. These boys are not as inexpensive as the girls. They cost about twice as much. Why? I don't know. Supply and demand, I suppose. Boy, they really wrapped him odd. Hope his neck's okay. Ah, come on. I guess I'm just gonna cut this. I don't like doing that because I save all this in case I ever had to pack them up or sell them or whatever. Okay. All right, you can see that the chest, it's more straight like a little boy would be. There's nothing here. And the back is not, well, it's arched, but yeah, I guess the back's pretty much the same. Yeah, I got a redhead. He's getting a face up. These come without makeup and cost about twice as much as the little girls. I'm not going to push this up too high. Ooh, I like those green eyes. Wow, that's a pretty green I hadn't seen before. And gray and purple. And a bit, you know what? I'm going to pull this back so you can see it better. A darker gray. So, or is there 2 gray? No, a light gray and a dark gray. I like those green with his hair. I like that a lot. Okay, let's open the last one, and I hope this is what I'm thinking for a collab that I am doing. It's heavy enough to be, and the box is right. There should be 2 dolls in here, and they should be Midi size. Yes, yes, yes. And they only gave us, oh no, they're all there. There's 4 hands in there. Oh, how cute are they? Ooh, absolutely darling. The Midi Blythe eyes. Let me open it and show you in case you've not seen one before. If you watch my channel, you've seen it about 100 times. I want to cut her hair. Okay. The Midi Blythe eyes do not change color. They only change directions. And you do that with a little dial in the back. And like an old scary painting in a old movie, the eyes move back and forth. These dolls are tiny. Look, compared to the scissors, how small they are. How much different they are than the Neo size. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Oh wait, there's another package here. I will let you know what happens with her leg. No longer do I recommend that seller. I'm telling you, not even a little bit do I recommend that seller.
I don't see how that leg could have come off and chipped.
No.
Because the box was a little bit
Yep.
crinkled on the side, but not crushed
Yep.
from up below. And
Exactly.
They had to have shipped it like that.
They
just
crammed it in. Yeah,
pork.
yeah, that's not. Okay, thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Oh yeah, here's the eyes that I got. See those green? I was thinking they'd be for the boy. They might be, but boy, I'm not sure now.